The white cedars I ordered from Coldstream Farms finally arrived. They were supposed to get here Thursday, and it is now Tuesday, so they've been sitting in a box for like 6 or 7 days. Screw you, FedEx. So I'm gonna march these all the way up to the other end of the property and start getting them in the ground. Hopefully far enough from the road so that the plow truck doesn't immediately murder them this winter with snowbanks and salt. So there are wildfires all around the states surrounding this one, and in this one, I guess. There's burn bans that have been in effect for over a month that I wasn't even aware of, and well, here's what my land looks like. So at least the part of the land I'm trying to build on. So good resilience for wildfires. Yeah, my boots are sinking into the ground. And yeah. And let's keep walking this way, which is to the east. And, well, I'm not walking uphill, I'm walking across a hill, everybody. And yeah, it's wet. And there's the brook is down that way a ways, a couple 100 feet. But yeah, I'm not worried about having any wildfires here, for sure. And yesterday I planted 25 of these eastern cedars, and for privacy, privacy fence isn't cheap, even though I still plan on putting at least 200 feet of privacy fence up so people can't throw trash in here anymore, and the town can't keep dumping snow above my entire watershed. Planted 25 of these, and I would have gotten bigger ones, but they don't ship until spring, so I got little 12 to 18 footers, and probably need about 25 more. I planted in here to eventually give a nice privacy screen.